Hello everyone, my name is Naveen. Welcome back. This is the first session of root word and today's root word is cide, which means killing or act of killing someone. Friends, with the help of this root word cide, we can make many different new words. So let's begin. Our first word is patricide, which means killing of one's own father. Next word is matricide, which means killing of one's own mother. Our third word is Siblicide. Siblicide means killing of one's own brother or sister. Our next word is canicide. Canicide means killing of dog. Next word is filicide. Filicide means killing of cat. Next word is omnicide. Omnicide means killing of all human life. Our next word is gynaecide. Gynaecide means killing of woman. Next word is genocide. Genocide means killing of foreigners. Next word is avicide. Avicide means killing of birds. Friends, with the help of only one root word, we made 10 new words. If you like my effort, so please subscribe my channel and give me your valuable suggestion. Thanks a lot for watching me.